Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a Christmas present that I actually got. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be reviewing this little camera over here. A lot of people know this camera as like the Polaroid camera or like the mini camera. I mean, whatever you want to call it. But this one is the INSTAX Fujifilm. So I got the INSTAX Fujifilm Mini 9 to be exact. I got this for Christmas, as I said, and I'm so excited. I've been wanting this mini camera so bad. Like, I've always said that I'm gonna take pictures on my phone and then go print it out in like CVS or like Walgreens, but I never really get around to doing it. But with this camera, it prints your pictures out like on the spot. You know, you can just create like lots of memory. I'm gonna be reviewing it today because this camera is pretty popular. Like, a lot of people have been talking about this camera, and yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys basically how it works, what it comes with. Is it worth the hype? Is it worth your money? If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit that little subscribe button and click on that bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can be notified every time that I upload. And yeah, also give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into this unboxing slash review. Okay, so the front of the box says the INSTAX Fujifilm Instant Camera Instant Fun, and this is in the color pink because I love pink. That's just one of my favorite colors. So this one comes with, it says contents includes one Fujifilm INSTAX Mini 9 Instant Camera. This is in the shade Flamingo Pink. One molded silicone INSTAX Mini 9 camera sleeve. Okay. One INSTAX Mini film pack. So it comes with 10 sheets, so I can take 10 photos. One INSTAX idea booklet, a hand strap, 2 AA batteries, close-up lens attachment, a manual, 1-year limited warranty for INSTAX camera, and limited warranty for INSTAX film. Pretty much it. Okay, whatever. Everything else is pretty boring, so we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Look at the camera, guys. Like, this is so adorable. Like, oh my god. So this is the camera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and insert the batteries. Okay, so the batteries go right on the side. Okay, so now, yeah, I think it makes more sense if I record like down here, so you guys, even though you can't see my face, you can see like exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna take, damn, the sun is like in the way, this INSTAX film. Yeah, so I'm assuming this goes back here. You know what's mad funny? Like, I'm over here, hold on. I'm over here struggling when I could just read the damn instructions. Like, nobody, I know I'm not the only one that doesn't like to read instructions, but I guess I'm gonna have to today. I'm gonna have to put on our extra pair of eyes and get to reading. Okay, so insert the batteries, which I already did, so check. Okay, loading the INSTAX mini film pack. Okay, so now they're gonna show me how to enter this thing. Press down the back cover lock to open the back cover. Okay, so just open this up like that. Boom. Hold both sides of the film pack, align the yellow marks on the camera and the film pack as indicated on the INSTAX mini film pack instructions, then insert the string. Huh? Okay, so that yellow mark right there on the camera and this yellow mark right here, you want to align it like so.
2 hours later.
Sometimes I'm like real slow. It took me all of that literally to do this, guys. That's it. Like, that's all you have to do. Anyway, and I close it back. Press the power button to turn the camera on. Oh. Wow. Okay. The camera is on. So the button is right here. So this is the power button right here. Oh, okay. We're getting somewhere. So you push it back, out, and then out, in. Okay, so I don't know what that really does yet. I know this is to take the picture. I'm so confused right now. This is getting me so mad. Like, I feel like this video is so stupid because I'm mad confused. Okay, so what I just did right now, I pressed this button and this thing came out. So it's like, I don't even know what's going on. So let me try to take a damn picture. Should I take a selfie? Oh, okay. So I took one picture. Okay, so that's it. So basically you have to just get this out first. When you get this out, then, you know, after that, once you press that button, you'll take the picture. Okay, so we're good. I was sitting here for mad long, like, trying to figure this damn thing out. So now I have 9. So right back here, it tells you how many photos you have left. So it comes with 10. I just took a photo, so now I have 9 left. So that's pretty cool. So, like, just in case, like, if you forget, you know, it lets you know exactly how many you have left. So now it's like loading up. It doesn't, you have to give it a few to like let the picture settle in and really show. So now I know how to use the camera. So now I know, just to like do a little recap for you guys, the first thing that you want to do is insert the batteries, which are inserted right here in this little slot. Once you insert the batteries, you open up the back and you put the film inside. You align the little yellow marks like how I did earlier. You align them together, you push it in, close it up, you turn it on by hitting this little button right here, and you close it by pushing it back in. So once you turn it on, you like go to take the picture for the first time, this is gonna come out. Once this comes out, you are now ready to go ahead and take your pictures. In the back, it lets you know how many you have left inside. So now we know how to mess with the camera. Now I'm gonna see what is these little accessories that came with it. So this right here is actually a close-up lens. So that's pretty cool. Attach the left tab on the back to the left of the lens. Then attach the right tab so that it clicks into place. So you take the left side and you literally just, and to take it off, you take it off from the right side. So once again, to put it back on, you literally just, whoop, you hear the little sound. And to take it off, you pull it from the right side like that. You're pulling it like that. So yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So one more time, I feel like Patrick, I feel like SpongeBob when he was trying to show Patrick how to put on the jar.
Do exactly as I do. Exactly as I do.
So just take it and whoop, and then take it off. That is how you attach the close-up. So that's pretty cool, you know, if you want to take like some close-up images or whatever. You have this thing over here. So good to know. And then this right here, this is so cute. This is to hold it. So now we know how to put on the close-up thing, and then to change. So these little icon things right here, let me show you guys. Those little things right there. The cloud is for when you're in your house. The sun with because there's two suns there, but there's one that has, like this one over here, that sun has more like lines, if you can see with the camera focus. So that one has like more lines than that sun. So for this sun right here with the less lines, that's for when it's cloudy, and then that sun is for when it's really sunny. So yeah, you can just, you know, turn it up a little bit. And then the house one right there, it says high key. So it says, do not use the high key function outside, otherwise the picture may be much lighter than you intended. So it'll come out like kind of white. So basically, if you want the picture to become brighter, then you put it on the little house picture, the little house icon. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on. So I'm basically just gonna take the little hole right here and I'm gonna put the string through the hole. And now we're gonna apply the case. We're gonna put on the case. This is like so freaking cute. Like it has the case, and you know what's so crazy, because pink is my favorite color and gray is my second favorite color, so it's like it just goes so good. Like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. And it comes with a little sticker, so you can put it on your phone if you want, or like your laptop or whatever, your room, whatever you want to do with it. So that is pretty much the whole entire camera. That is basically it. This is really great to make lots of memories with. I'm really happy that I got this, and I'm definitely going to be taking lots of pictures with it. So yeah, I would highly recommend this product. It is so cute, and then you can get more of these online. Not sure how much they go for, but I'll definitely find some. Leave it, like, I'm gonna leave this linked down below, and I'm gonna leave like to purchase more of these linked down below in the description in case anybody wants to purchase this product. I would highly recommend, even though Christmas is almost over, but you never know when someone's birthday is coming up, Valentine's Day, or maybe next year for Christmas, who knows. But yeah, I would highly recommend this item. It is so just adorable. Like, I just love it. It comes with the case, it comes with this, it comes with a close-up lens, it comes with 10 of these to start you up. Like, it is just so adorable, and I'm so happy that I have it. Oh my god, I've been wanting this thing for years. Oh, and let's not forget that it comes with a sticker. Who doesn't like stickers? And some damn bubble wrap too, so I'm definitely gonna be popping that bubble wrap later. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing slash review. It was kind of complicated at first because I had to read the instructions and I was confused. Like, this video was like 30 minutes long because I was sitting here, like, I'm obviously gonna cut all of that out, but I was sitting here like literally stuck on stupid trying to read these damn instructions. There's a whole bunch of instructions, and I didn't even read everything. Like, there's still a whole bunch of stuff like explaining how to use the close-up lens and stuff like that. So yeah, this item is really cute, really adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have this camera and what do you think about this camera. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.